गोंयांत जें कितें उरलां ताचो सगळ्याचो नाश करपाक हें सरकार उठलां. त्या खातीर ते आतां TDR घेवन फुडें सरल्यात. जे कोण गोंयकारपणाचें उलयतात तेवूय गोंय विकपाक उठल्यात म्हण आरोप काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो आग्नेलो फेर्नांडीसान केला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झेल रॉड्रिगीस.
This government seems to be hell bent on destroying whatever is left of Goa. They want to destroy Goinkar and Goinkar Point. They've come up with that DTR, TDR, transfer of development rights, with the amendment to the Town Planning Act. Now, this TDR is nothing but a means to concretize the whole of Goa, concretize more, and to sell Goa wholesale to the outsiders. I'll tell you, the transfer of development rights means the right to transfer the potential of a land required for public purpose. Under 30A. It means, under 30B, it means the right to sell, transfer, surrender the development right or potential of land zoned as agriculture. Land in other areas such as heritage site, water body, riverine land, farmland, khazan land, private forests, land under coastal regulation zone and the like.